Miconazole is a medication that is used to treat various skin infections caused by fungus, such as athlete's foot, jock itch, ringworm, and candidiasis. It is also used to treat a skin condition called pityriasis, which causes changes in the skin color. Miconazole works by stopping the growth of the fungus. The recommended dosage and timing for using Secura Antifungal 2% topical cream should be determined by your healthcare provider. When using Secura Antifungal 2% topical cream, make sure to only apply it to the skin. Clean and dry the area thoroughly before applying the medication. You can use it twice a day or as directed by your doctor. If you are using the spray form, remember to shake the bottle well before applying. The dosage and length of treatment will depend on the type of infection being treated, so it's important to follow your doctor's instructions. Avoid using more than prescribed, as it won't clear your condition faster and may increase the risk of side effects. Apply enough medication to cover the affected area and some of the surrounding skin, then wash your hands. Avoid wrapping, covering, or bandaging the area unless your doctor tells you to do so. Remember to use this medication regularly at the same times each day to get the most benefit from it. Keep using it until the full prescribed amount is finished, even if your symptoms disappear after a few days. Stopping the medication too early may cause the infection to return. If your condition lasts or gets worse, be sure to consult your doctor. When using Secura Antifungal 2% topical cream, you may experience burning, stinging, swelling, irritation, redness, pimple-like bumps, tenderness, or flaking of the treated skin. If any of these effects persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist immediately. It's important to note that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they have determined that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's essential to inform your doctor right away if you experience any serious side effects, such as blistering, oozing, or open sores. While a severe allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help immediately if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. Remember that this is not a complete list of possible side effects, so if you notice any other effects not mentioned here, contact your doctor or pharmacist for further guidance. As always, if you have any concerns or questions about the side effects of this medication, don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare provider for assistance. Before using Secura Antifungal 2% topical cream, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to miconazole or other azole antifungals. Also, let them know about your medical history and all the products you use, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, only use this medication if clearly needed and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also important to consult your doctor before using this medication if you are breastfeeding. When using Secura Antifungal 2% topical cream, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. To minimize these risks, it's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's also important to never start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without your doctor's approval. This will help ensure the safe and effective use of Secura Antifungal 2% topical cream. As always, consult with your healthcare provider if you have any concerns or questions about potential drug interactions. If this medication is accidentally ingested, it can be harmful. If someone has taken too much and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's essential to seek immediate medical help by calling 911 or contacting a poison control center. In the U.S., residents can reach out to their local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. Always be cautious and keep this medication out of reach of children. It is important not to share this medication with others. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, it is meant to be used for your current condition only. Do not save it for later use or use it for another infection unless specifically instructed by your doctor. When using this medication to treat pityriasis, it is important to note that it may not result in an immediate return to normal skin color. It may take several months after completing the treatment for your natural skin color to fully return. If you forget to apply the Secura Antifungal 2% topical cream, apply it as soon as you remember. If it's almost time for your next dose, skip the missed dose and continue with your regular application schedule. Do not apply a double dose to make up for the missed one. Remember to use the cream at the same time each day for the best results. When using Secura Antifungal 2% topical cream, it's important to pay attention to the storage requirements. Different brands and strengths of this medication may have different storage needs, so be sure to read the package labeling or ask your pharmacist for specific instructions. It's essential to protect the cream from light, and if you're using the gel or spray, be sure to also protect it from open flame and heat. Keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of the medication, do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. It's important to properly discard the product when it's expired or no longer needed. If you're unsure of the best way to dispose of the cream, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for guidance. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.